everyone. This is my 1 month liberated after being liberated, and I can't tell you how much has changed in my life just in 1 month. It's unreal. Uh, First of all, I'm sure you all, anyone with MS, know what this is. I have drop foot and MS. I haven't had to wear that in 2 weeks now. I know after the surgery, you're supposed to rest and let your body heal, but I haven't been doing that. I've been pushing myself every day, and oh, by the way, I can't tell you how good it feels just to be able to feel carpet again, because I had to wear that brace from the time I woke up to the time I went to bed. Having to wear shoes 24/7 sucks. Uh, I have a gym in my spare bedroom. I just push myself. It's like a new world to me, like being reborn. You know, I'm riding my bike in 20, 30 degree weather. I could never do that before. My fatigue level has gotten a lot better. Like before the liberation, on my way to church, I would have to stop 2 or 3 times. Now I'm getting to church without having to stop 20 minutes earlier. And just being able to ride my bike in the cold, I couldn't do that. Anything under 40 degrees, my bike is staying locked up. So just that's a blessing right there. I just want to show you just a little bit of the exercises I do, you know, so bear with me here. And if you remember, the whole right side of my body was dead. This is a 25-pound bar. I bend down, all the way down, use my legs, up, over my head, back up, down. And I stand behind a chair, up, down, many times a day. So as you can see, from my right side being completely dead, just in 1 month, the change this liberation process has made, it's a true gift. Anybody out there who's doubting it, get her done. And I just want to thank everybody again out there, who supported me, gave me all the information. You're all wonderful. I love you all. Thank you. And God bless.